Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you are all safe. Today we are going to study Sanskrit chapter number 9. Amlam Drakshaphalam. That means the grapes are sour. Today we will write down the translation of this poem. Okay, so open your notebook. Hope you all are write down these glossary words in your notebook. Now you have to write down the translation of this poem. Open your book and then put down the heading chapter number 9. Amlam Drakshaphalam. The grapes are sour. The grapes are sour. Now put down the heading translation. Translation. Now write down into the paragraph wise. Okay. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ एकः शृंगाल से लेके सह वनम गच्छति. There is a fox. There is a fox. Full stop. The fox goes to the forest. The fox goes to the forest. Full stop. He is thirsty. He is thirsty. thirsty. Thirsty and hungry. And hungry. Full stop. He goes to the forest because he is hungry and thirsty. Hungry and thirsty. Full stop. He goes to the forest. He goes to the forest. Full stop. Now write down in a second paragraph. किमच करोति से तृषा जायते. ठीक है. And what does he do? And what does he do? Question mark. What does he do? What does he do? Question mark. He looks at left. He looks at left. Full stop. He looks at right. He looks at right. Full stop. He looks before. He looks before. That means in front. Full stop. He looks behind. He looks behind. Full stop. He swept. He sweats. Sweats. Full stop. He gets thirsty. He gets thirsty. Full stop. Now third paragraph. इति गच्छति से लेके खिन्न जायते. Clear? He goes here. He goes here. Full stop. He does not get anything. Get anything. Full stop. He goes there. He goes there. Full stop. He does not get anything. Get anything. Full stop. He gets tired. He gets tired. 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 Full stop. He becomes sad. He becomes sad. Full stop. Now next paragraph. किमच पश्यति से लेके तत् फलम. And what does he see? And what does he see? Question mark. What does he see? What does he see? Question mark. He sees a creeper of grapes. A creeper of grapes. Creeper का spelling CREEPER. Creeper of grapes. Full stop. He sees grapes. He sees grapes. Full stop. He sees fruits on and on creepers. Full stop. Now next paragraph. अनुक्षणं तन्मुखे रसजायते से लेके लभते न द्राक्षाफलम्. The next movement, movement, his mouth waters. Full stop. And what does he do? Question mark. What does he do? Question mark. He jumps once. Comma, twice, comma, thrice. Full stop. He jumps again and again. Full stop. He sweat. Full stop. He gets tired. Full stop. He does not get grapes. Full stop. Now next paragraph. किमच कथ्यसि लिखे कथ्यति पलायते. And what does he say? Question mark. What does he say? Question mark. He says, comma. Now put down the double inverted comma. The grapes are sour. Exclamatory mark. Sour का spelling SOUR. Exclamatory mark. Now complete the double inverted comma. He runs away. Full stop. He says in this way. Comma, and runs away. Full stop. So here we complete the write down the translation of this poem. Thank you.